Happy day, everybody. Got another episode for you. Not because we want it, but because life happens. So you probably can't smell it over the internet, but I smell a bit of a sulfur, like a musky sulfur smell right now. And it's coming from the batteries. If you see the vent, if you can tell, the acid vapor is venting out of the side right there. One on that side and one on this side. So this is an indication that the battery has reached the end of its service life. And so we're going to swap it out today. Oh, it's super, super hot. What's going on here? So it's been about half an hour and it's been sitting here without any action. But when you touch the battery, it's still very, very hot to the touch. So what that tells me is there are cells inside that are shorted, which is causing the chemical reaction to continue. So probably going to open up these vents and let out the acid, the electrolyte.